got Elle here at Kalleco. This would normally be your weekly episode of the Thursday 3, but we're going to do something a little bit different this week. Thanksgiving is just about a week away, and we know it's going to be a little different this year, but one thing that's not different is that we want to make sure that all of our customers have the opportunity to make a one-of-a-kind, really stellar floral centerpiece. In past years, we've hosted an in-person workshop event with our florist Maureen, and unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do that this year, but instead, we've devised a way for you to take some of that tradition home with you. We have these to-go kits where you can create a floral centerpiece along a low piece, just like the one you see right here. These kits include a bouquet of your choosing, which has lots of stellar flowers like these football mums or these big roses, as well as a lot of filler flowers. We send along a bundle of greens, and then you actually just get to go to this table, which is behind me, which is full of different accents. I'll throw some details at the end so you guys can see that up close. And when you do that, you also get our instruction sheet as well as access to a video with Maureen where she walks you through her theory and process for designing and arranging these really wonderful pieces. We know that a lot of you feel like it's a tradition, and we wanted to make sure that you can do that this year. So again, those are our Thanksgiving to-go DIY centerpiece kits. We've got a lot of different names for them, but if you call and ask for one, we'll be able to help you out with that. You can also just pick one up. We are open for our regular hours for the rest of this week. And next week, we're going to be open Monday through Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then closed on Thursday. So stop by and grab one. And if you're low on time, just a quick alternative. Maureen also has created some really beautiful, ready-to-go autumnal arrangements, which you can just pick up and put right on the table. Just a couple of ways that you can really spruce up your table, whether you're hosting in person or if you want your background to look a little snazzy on Zoom's Giving. We're wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you the week after Thanksgiving because we will have Christmas trees. Have a great holiday and stay safe, everybody.